You are watching Filterlity Chelar. Welcome everyone.
Hello everyone! So, hello sa mga Tagalog at sa mga Kabisaya. Charot! So, ito try ko tong ginataang bilo or sa Bisaya, binignit. O, ayan ang English. Glutinous rice balls and sweetened coconut milk ready mix. So, madali lang tong gawin. Let's try it! So, ito na. Here's the ingredients, English, and how to prepare. At meron din namang Tagalog. So, ayan, napaka-easy lang. Okay. So, there's coconut powder and, of course, the bilo-bilo mix. Filter Lady Shelar is going to prepare this binignit bilo-bilo. Charot. So the first step is set aside 2 tablespoons of bilo-bilo mix. Sa Tagalog, maghiwalay o magtabi ng 2 kutsarang bilo-bilo mix. Charot. So ayan na, sa bilo-bilo mix. Kukuha lang po ako ng 2 kutsara at itatabi ko. So 1, lalagay natin dito. 1, another 1, 2. Ayan. 2 tablespoons of bilo-bilo mix. Number 2. Second steps is form dough by mixing the remaining bilo-bilo mix with 1/2 cup of water. Sa Tagalog, haluan ng 1/2 cup na tubig ang natitirang bilo-bilo mix upang makagawa ng galapong. Charot. So here, I have distilled water. O, nagdi-distill pa ko yan. Ayan. I just need 1/2. Ayan. 1/2. Ayun. 1/2 cup na yan. So, ito, lalagyan natin ng 1/2 cup of water. Nilalagay ko yun sa bowl. Ayan. And then, I'm gonna put the 1/2 cup of water. Ayan. And then, from this, gagawa po tayo ng maliliit na bilog ng galapong. Okay, for this, I'm gonna wash my hands first. Wash po tayo ng hands. Wash tayo ng hands. So, ayan na. I'm gonna make little circles from this. So, the fourth step na po tayo. The English. And here, tunawin sa isang lalagyan ang coconut cream powder kasama ng itinabi na 2 kutsarang bilo-bilo mix gamit ang 1/2 cup na tubig. Okay, I will get another 1/2 cup of water. Here's the coconut powder and 1/2 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of bilo-bilo mix that I set aside. So I'm gonna put the coconut powder here. And then the 1/2 cup of water. And then i-dissolve ko lang to. Yan, mix natin hanggang sa ma-dissolve. Yan, i-dissolve ko natin. Ayan, it's done. Now, I'm gonna do step 5. Ayan, English. Tagalog, magpakulo ng 4 na cups na tubig kasama ng 1 cup na puting asukal. Maaring magdagdag ng asukal na naayon sa iyong panlasa. Okay, so I don't really like a lot of sugar, so konti lang po ang ilalagay ko. So here's the 4 cups of water and I'm gonna wait for it to boil. So I mix the white and brown sugar. And that's it. I put it in the water. So guys, there is no saba banana or the banana from the Philippines. So I'm gonna use this organic banana. Lakatan, charot, lakatan duro na. And here's the sweet potato. Guys, I don't have jackfruit here. and tapioca pearls. So, charot. I don't have those two ingredients. Hirap kayo humanap dyan dito. Oh, it's boiling already, so I'm gonna put the kamote or yum. Yeah. So, yan. Kamote. Sweet potato. Yum. Wow, daming pangalan ah. Yan, number 6. Add chopped purple yam or kamote and tapioca pearls, but I only have kamote, so ayan. Okay lang naman kasi ako lang ang kakain ito. Hida. First time makaluto ng ganito, charot. Number 7 naman, drop into boiling water the dough balls and chopped banana and jackfruit strips. Oh, I don't have jackfruit strips. Continue to simmer until the balls float. Okay. Ilagay ang mga binilog na galapong kasama ang mga gayat na saging at langka. Pagpatuloy ang pagluto sa mahinang apoy hanggang sa lumutang ang lahat ng bilo-bilo. Okay guys, so ang hirap po talaga gumawa ng bilog. So, I don't know. At saka, wala po akong langka. At ang saging ko po na ginagamit ay ito, organic banana. Hindi po ito saba. Charot. Tsaka ito, ang hirap po talaga. Hindi ko alam paano gumawa ng bilog-bilog. Kaya, ilalagay ko na lang to ng ganito. Ako lang naman kakain. Charot. So, ayan guys. Ginamitan ko lang talaga ng kutsara. Kasi, hindi po ako marunong, ang hirap gumawa ng circle or bilog. Charot. So guys, look at that. Nakakaloka, nakakatawa. It's so funny. It's not circle, but it's okay. I'm gonna eat this anyway. Charot. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna add this banana. Yan. Okay, last step na po tayo. Stir in the dissolved coconut mixture. Simmer for another minute or until the soup thickens. Serve hot. Ihalo ang tinunaw na coconut cream powder at bilo-bilo mix. Pakuluan pa ng 1 minuto o hanggang sa lumapot ang sabaw nito. Ihain habang mainit. Aida, okay, I will put this. Okay. Ching. So, ayan na guys ang itsura nito. Halo lang po tayo ng halo. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, bango niya guys. I feel like I'm in the Philippines again. Charot. First time ko po ito. Tapos, isi-steep pa. So, napakasimple lang po ng ingredients ko. Meron lang akong kamote. Tapos, banana. Hindi po ito saba. Wala po itong tapioca pearls. At wala din po itong ube or purple yam. I am the only one who's gonna eat this too. So, it doesn't matter if it's, if the ingredients are not complete. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Here guys, I'm gonna taste it. It's so hot. I'm gonna blow it. Binignit dyan siya. Lasang bilo-bilo nga. Sarap. Charot. Binignit by Filter Lady Shell R. Ay, da charot. Guys, I'm gonna eat my bilo-bilo or binignit. Here it is. Look at that. Wow. Ito na guys. Look at this circle. Kaloka. That's it guys. Binignit. I love it. So delicious. Thanks for watching everyone. Filter Lady Shell R here.